Today we are going to learn about hydraulic system in a industry, how the hydraulics works and what is the importance of hydraulics, and in a hydraulic system what are the components you are using. First of all, what is hydraulics? Hydraulics is the science of transmitting force or motion through the medium of a confined liquid. In a hydraulic device, power is transmitted by pushing on a confined liquid. Means in a confined space, we will use the hydraulic fluids, hydraulic oils that from one end we will give some pressure or force, then the other side the pressure or the force will be multiplied. Typically, the fluid used in a hydraulic system is an incompressible liquid such as mineral-based hydraulic oil. Pressure is applied by a piston to fluid in a cylinder and causing the fluid to press on another piston that delivers energy to a load. If the areas of the two pistons are different, then the force applied to the first piston will be different from the force exerted by the second piston. Means here total the force or the pressure that is transmitted through the fluid only, and how the fluid taken this load because of the incompressible nature of that liquid. And coming to the definition of hydraulics, it is the branch of science and engineering concerned with the use of fluids to perform mechanical tasks. Here, if we tell fluid, it can be of two types. Means one is liquid and another is gaseous. If you are using liquid, then we are calling it hydraulics, and if you are using air, you are telling it pneumatics. The main principle of hydraulics is Pascal's law. A change in pressure at any point in an enclosed fluid at rest is transmitted undamaged to all points in the fluid. It means if the external static pressure applied on a confined liquid, then the pressure is distributed or transmitted evenly throughout the liquid in all direction. Means if you see at the picture, here if we are applying pressure in the place A, then in every point in the B, the pressure is equal. Means the pressure is distributed equally. And if we are applying pressure at B, then the summation of pressure at point B is equal to the summation of pressures in the point A. Now coming to the advantages of hydraulics, the main advantages of hydraulics are variable speed. Means the actuator, means the device which converts the energy into mechanical energy, that is motor or a cylinder in a hydraulic system, can be driven at different speeds. Means we can vary the speed at our need. And reversible. In hydraulic actuators can be reversed instantly while in full motion without damage. Means let's say actuator is running in clockwise direction, instantly we can reverse it to anti-clockwise direction with the full motion without any damage. And overload protection. For the overload protection, we are having a pressure relief valve in this hydraulic system that protects the system from overload damage. Means if the pressure goes beyond the design pressure, then the pressure relief valve will be open and all the fluids will bypass through pressure relief valve to the tank, and the system will be protected. The main advantage of hydraulics is it has small components. The hydraulic components, because of their high speed and pressure capabilities, can provide high power and output with very small weight and size. If we compare to a mechanical transmission system and a hydraulic transmission system, the mechanical transmission system will take huge weight and huge size, but in case of hydraulics we are having small components, so we can configure a plant within a short room and with the small weight and size.